In today's video, I'm going to show you how to top up amount on your Namecheap account, step by step, so you can add funds quickly and confirm that your account balance is updated at the end. This is useful if you want to keep money in your Namecheap balance for future purchases, renewals, or quick checkout without repeating the full payment process every time. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and account management guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look near your account balance area. You should see a top-up option right next to it. Click on Top Up to begin the process of adding funds to your account. After that, Namecheap will ask you to choose your preferred payment method. You can select a card payment or PayPal depending on whichever option is easiest for you. Once you've selected the payment method you want to use, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll need to enter the amount that you want to add to your Namecheap balance. Make sure you type in the correct amount, because this is the balance that will be added to your account and used for future payments. After entering the amount, click Next again. Now you'll be taken to the Payment Details page. Here, fill in your payment information and billing details carefully. Double-check everything before moving forward to avoid any errors or payment issues. When everything looks correct, click Charge and proceed to complete the payment. Namecheap will process the transaction, and once it goes through, your balance should be updated. To make sure the top-up worked, go back to your account balance and confirm that the funds have been added successfully. And that's it. You've now topped up your Namecheap account balance. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one.